In this video, we'll be talking about why it's not too late to start your own YouTube channel. Are you struggling to understand if it's too late to have your own YouTube channel? In this video, I will show you why it's not too late to have your own YouTube channel. Hi, my name is Lenny. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Lenny Rukundo from Mobilepreneur, the channel that helps people like you change your passions into video and share them through social media while making money on the go. Let's now look at this myth of people saying that it's too late to start your YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be talking about 5 points, 5 major points, which I can show you that it is not too late to start your own YouTube channel. By the end of this video, I will show you tips on how to start your own channel. Still stick with me until the end of the video so that I can share with you my tips on how to start your own channel. So let's first debunk this whole issue about people say that it's too late. Okay? You will hear people say it's too saturated, there are too many people on YouTube. Well, I beg to differ. Question is, you're a creator. What makes you stand out? What makes you different? That's point number one. What makes you different? That's the most important thing. What can you give? What kind of information can you be able to give that will be different from everybody else? Yes, it's a bit of a challenge. But when you look deep inside ourselves, we all have a way of perceiving things. You are unique. Nobody sees things from your eyes. Nobody does the things that you do the same way that you do them. So that's number one. You are unique. You are different. Number two, you have a passion. You have a passion that you want to share with people out there. The question comes to, can you be able to just start and just share it with the people? It's through that sharing that you're able to start your own YouTube channel. You might be surprised, there will be very many people who will be wanting to hear you. What is there in the passion that you have that you can be able to share with the community? The good thing is, you've shared and make money at the same time. Can you imagine that? Just imagine that you're sharing your passion at your own time and being paid for it. That is one of the best and most fulfilling things you'll ever have done. So, look deep inside yourself and find out, what is your passion? What do you want to share with the world? Number 3. We all have different understanding on different topics. Any topic that you're given, you have a different and a different understanding from the next person next to you. The way you unpack any topic, any subject, we all are unique in that. So your understanding of any topic and the way you deliver it to the next person makes you different. And there are so many people who might not be understanding the next person but would be able to understand you. So what topics are you able to transfer, or the knowledge that you picked up from various topics that you can transfer to somebody else? It might be carpentry, it might be farming, it might be baking, it might be catering, it might be laying tiles on the floors, it might be mosaic, it might be even Photoshop, Excel. Your understanding and the way you deliver it to the next person is totally different from one person to the next. So, understanding of topics and your take on any topic is totally unique. It comes back and ties to point number 1. You are unique. So far we've spoken about 3 points. Point number 1, you being unique and nobody being like you. Point number 2, having a passion that you want to share about. Point number 3, being able to understand a topic and being able to transfer it to the next person. Point number 4, half of the YouTube views are viewed on mobile devices. To be precise, it's over 70%. Have you ever been in a situation whereby you need to find out a solution about maybe a new manual, a new gadget you've bought, and you're lazy to read the manuals because at times the manuals come when they're quite thick, and flipping through those pages is a bit of a cumbersome issue. So what do we do normally? We sit back and we decide, where is my friend Mr. YouTube? Mr. YouTube comes in and you just say, how to use XXXX. And voila, you get somebody who has taken the time to read the manual and gone to the specific thing that you want to learn about your new gadget. So imagine the possibilities of what can be done with YouTube. Video is here to stay. Video will be here for a long while. Marketing big brands, they've learned that they have seen that video has more power than written text. A video tells you a story, and that's the way most people are being able to market themselves, to market organizations. Okay? So the question is, what is your next how-to video you will put out there for the more than 70% of the viewers who are viewing on their mobile devices? Point number 5 is one very powerful point that you always bear in mind when you're starting to understand that it's not too late to start your YouTube channel. There are 30 million users per day. Yes, 30 million users per day on YouTube at any one given time. And over 70% of these users, as point number 4 indicated, they use it on their mobile devices. On top of that, on this particular point number 5, I also like to share with you that there are 1.9 billion logged in users per month at any one given month. So as you can see, the market share is large. The question is, can you be able to service them? Can you be able to offer something? Thank you for your time sticking with us through this video. We really appreciate it. And as promised at the beginning of the video, here I'll be sharing with you 3 points, 3 bonus points on how to start your own YouTube channel. Bonus point number 1, get started. The secret to all this is get started. You don't need fancy gear. You don't need all this fancy gear to be able to start. As long as you have a cell phone, you can start. Start with what you have, and you'll be able to move on. You'll be able to see progress. Start with what you have. Then, as you grow, you're able to buy the fancy gear. But the most important thing, the point is, get started. Number 2, open your channel. As long as you have a Gmail account, you can open your YouTube channel. Create a Gmail account, and that leads you to register on YouTube and open your channel. So point number 2, open your channel. And finally, bonus point number 3, press the record button. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. It's through the mistakes that you learn how to improve. Put your videos out there. Even the biggest YouTubers who are there right now, they started from somewhere. But remember, they never started with a perfect video. That's what you need to remember. As long as you have that in your mind, they never started with the perfect video. Hit the record button and share your passion with the world. Once again, really appreciate having your time, and don't forget to put your comments down below to let us know what kind of other videos you'd like or topics you'd like us to talk about within creating your own YouTube channel. Also, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more videos on tips like this.